Annika.
Solving proportions.
What can we now do? What can we now do, Annika?
Use cross products to check.
We can use cross products to check equivalency.
Yeah.
To see if proportions are equal. So we know what a proportion is. What is a cross product, Elson?
Cross product is answer is multiplied in numerator one ratio to the denominator of the other.
Is a fraction and a ratio the same thing, William?
Yes.
Yes, they are. A fraction and ratio we can consider the same thing. Proving proportions. How do you prove a proportion? AJ, how do you prove it? How do you prove if something is a proportion? If what is equal? No, how do you prove that two ratios are proportionate kind?
Cross proportion.
Cross.
Oh, cross product.
Use cross products. And what if their cross products are equal? What is true of the two ratios? If the cross products are equal, the two ratios are? Equal. If the cross products are not equal, the two ratios are not?
Equal.
Therefore, they are not
Proportionate.
right? Okay, so the example, or an example of that would be A, 2/5 and 5/9. Are they proportionate? No, their cross products are 25 and 18. 2 times 9 is 18, 5 times 5 is 25, not proportionate. B, 4/7 and 12/28. Are they proportionate?
No.
Because their cross products are not
Equal.
4/7 and 12/28 are not proportionate. This would be one way of writing it. A slash through the equal sign says no, they are not equal, therefore not proportionate. To prove proportionality, you must show cross products are equal. And then we use a little bit of algebra down here. A over B is equal to C over D. Because A times B is equal to B times C. Tricky one. Number 5, we proved again 2/3 and 200/300 are proportionate because cross products are equal. And then we did some algebra. And we're forgetting about the one that we messed up on, or we being me, Mr. Pottinger. You have 4/8, you have something over 16. All of you told me that you knew that this answer was 8 before you did any work. To prove it completely, which I'm going to have you give this a shot in your homework assignment, but to prove it completely, we did some algebra. We did some inverse operations. 8 times x is undone by dividing by 8. And then we talked about doing the same thing to both sides. Calculate our answers. Questions? Comments? Laura?
A real world thing that
We're not talking about real world right now. We're talking about any questions on this. Good luck.